shawnshawn.co. I just finished this painting. I got really inspired to do kind of way more tragic warfare. So, of Ukraine scenario, special operation, according to Putin. So I did kind of this baby blue, baby pink in the background to kind of suggest the background. I was going to leave it really rough, and then I cut in with this architectural abstraction with line, and I gave some really vivid splashes, very rough look, because I wanted to capture the sense of hospital white, bloodshed, tank tracks, the city being destroyed in Mariupol. So I think it really captures that, and the baby blue and the pink really work well to suggest that. That wasn't my intention, but those are the symbols of babies, pink and baby blue, as well as blue is symbolic for Ukraine, obviously. And I just think this style really lends itself a lot to kind of a war scenario, and the really terrible scenario that happens in war where a city's completely bombed to the ground, which is the Russian way to stage a war. They don't really know how to go in and kind of surgically operate. They just they literally bomb it, the old World War II style. So we're seeing like basically World War II again. It's interesting too, the reaction of people, because you can see the bias people have. Like, no one cared about Rwanda, or Rwanda was massacring people, terrible genocide, and basically no one lifted a finger for that. Same in Yemen. The U.S. government supplying weapons to the Saudis, who are a terrible dictatorship, and then they're bombing Yemen. So it's like, are we on the good side or not? But I live close to Poland, and I've actually been to the tail end of Poland, met Russia when it was still the Soviet Union, kind of when they were breaking apart. And yeah, I have a lot of deep connections to that area, being in Poland 1 year. And so, Putin's goal of reunifying the East Bloc under Russian rule is just completely... no one in the East Bloc wanted that. They wanted to be free of the Russians. No one wanted to be part of Russia anymore and part of the Soviet bloc. And Putin just had this crazy idea that that was the most horrible thing to happen to Russia, and he has to conquer everything. So we're seeing this terrible battle unfold because Putin is kind of blinded, and he's got so much power in Russia that no one can take him out. So then his next move, just all these endless war to stay in power. But hopefully you guys like it. I don't know if I did well with the middle. It's kind of very rough. If it's too dark, the white definitely lightens it up and gives it that feel of the hospital, but also stark contrast of maybe bone or black suggestion of death. So it's very kind of grisly painting. I don't know if I'll sell it, but I just definitely had it in me. I wanted to paint it, and hopefully you guys like it. It should be up on shawnshawn.co shortly. Thanks for watching, guys.